Brother, you're not hungry.
You feel satisfied.
Yeah, my brother, you know, I have to take care of you, you know.
We are picnic, I know I job that.
I put it down on the wrong one. We ain't got nothing in common.
What you gonna do with that?
Stop going like you eat that little boy.
Him not have no sense, you know.
The pum done good boy, na madman. Now me have good pum problem.
Oh, lady, give me a bug.
Look boy, you have sense. Move from here, yeah, man.
Give me a bug from stab you.
Wow, boy.
They rob my bag. The little boy from up at the top of the lane just rob my bag.
Who's your boy?
The little boy from up at the top of the lane then just rob my bag and rob my phone.
Who's your boy?
Audrey's son. You know Audrey's son?
Yeah.
Him rob my phone and my bag and him gone down that way there a while ago.
Alright, come here, I'll link you that.
Alright.
Projatosh, new beginning. Yeah. Look at my shirt, dirty 2 pants, not even new shoes. Hot stepper, we are like hot pepper. You're trying a little hustling.
Yo, my dad, a beer things are going here.
What?
This is man them rob me no?
Nicole, who rob you?
No Andrew little boy them.
Look how long man I beg you some pussy. If you give it to me, the boy wouldn't dare play with you.
Stop man, stop going so man. You still can't get it now. I'm just never ready yet.
They're gonna fix things. You'll get back everything.
Alright. Thank you, darling.
Get the dog them and circle the little boy there. All him mad I get it too.
Alright, my general.
And make sure you get back our things then.
You say my dad,